Hey guys, it's Shannon, and today I'm doing my December Boxycharm unboxing. So I've had this for a while, I just haven't had time to sit down and film. I've been working constantly in school, and Snoop, get in here, and Christmas shopping, and just stress from the holidays coming, and everything like that. I have not had time for anything, not even to breathe. So I apologize I haven't been able to film this sooner, and I'm sorry if you hear noise in the background. My dog opened his Christmas present, the little brat, and he found his toy and he's playing with it constantly and he won't let it go. Angel's behave and sleeping on the couch, but Snoop is tearing up everything. So Santa's not coming to visit him, but yeah. So let's just get started on unboxing this. So I have already opened it because, well, my grandma got into it, and yeah. So I do know what's in here. It's not as exact what's in my head. I don't know exactly what is in here, but I remember it briefly. All right. So this month is 'Tis the Season, and what the heck is happening? Yeah, so they have a cute little flamingo, and yeah, I think it's super cute. But let's just get started. The first thing in here is from Pretty Vulgar, and first of all, I love their packaging. It is so cute. Like, I absolutely love it. And this is the powder. It says it's called the Powder Room Translucent Setting Powder, and it's matte about it. And this retails for $32. It's got a cute little pink powder puff, which is actually very, very soft. And yeah, I'm not going to open this right now because I have like 2 translucent powders on backup. So I'll just put this into my piles for backup. And yeah, so there's that. Next, from Tarte, I have the Tarteist Shimmering Lip Paint. I love their lip paints, but I've never tried one of their shimmering ones. And this is in the color Strike Gold, and it retails for $20. It's so pretty. I want to do a swatch of this just so I can see the color. It's very gold and very glittery, that is for sure. I think that'll be good, like a good top coat, but I don't know if it'll build up enough to be like an actual lip color. I don't know, we'll try it out and see. So then, from Cosmetics, I got the Detox Activated Charcoal Mask, and this retails for $30. I'm excited to use this. I've never really done a detoxing mask. I can't even speak. If you've watched my channel for a long time, you know that I cannot speak in my videos half the time. So then from Bodyography, I got a lip liner, and it is in the color Barely There, and it retails for $12. Things are vibrating. I apologize. So this is what the pencil looks like. I don't use lip pencils that much, but this one is a really nice nude, and I think it'll go really well with my everyday lip color, which is actually a Tarteist lip paint, and it's the color Birthday Suit. I love it. It's my favorite. I don't think I have it with me in here, but yeah. So then the last thing I'm probably the most excited about, this is from PYT, and it's the mini hair straightener, and this retails for $75. First of all, I love the color of it. It is a bright neon yellow, which I'm normally not a fan of yellow, but I love it. The only thing I worry about is there's not like a temperature button, it just automatically reaches up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 204 degrees Celsius. But I think this will be good to use like for my bang area and my baby hairs. Like along here, my straightener is usually too big, and I think, yep, it's not straightening now obviously, but it's like the perfect size for right through here. And yeah, you just have to watch with how hot it gets, that you don't like melt your hair or anything, or fry your hair, because it could easily be fried. But yeah, and it comes with a little carrying case that, let's see, how does this work? It just sticks right in here, and then your cord goes in here, and boom, you're good to go for travel. But yeah, I'm excited to give that a try. I've actually never heard of that brand for hair products, but I'm excited to look into it and try it out. And yeah, so that's all that I got in my Boxycharm. I hope you guys enjoyed. My next video is going to be my winter FabFitFun unboxing, which I'm super excited about. And yeah, so I think that's it for today. I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys.